Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to your daily Bitcoin update. We'll do a full update on Bitcoin. We'll talk about everything you need to know for today and this week. We'll go over some economic events, or at least we'll talk about that right now. As you can see right here, today we have the PMI and the job openings from the US. But just in general, I look at these numbers more a little bit out of ritual. And excuse me, the camera quality is not amazing, but we'll have to live with it. I do this kind of because I always look at the economic events. But right now, just in terms of the correlation between the dollar strength index and Bitcoin, which is ultimately causing most of the moves, I really don't see that much of correlation. So we have some economic events today, and we have some bigger economic events later in the week, but I very much doubt that that's going to have a big effect on Bitcoin. All right, because right now, Bitcoin is just very strong for different reasons. All right, Bitcoin ETF first and foremost. All right, so that's the big fundamental event coming up right now. And then apart from that, it also seems that in terms of correlation, it really seems that Bitcoin is a little bit more correlated to gold. All right, so you can see gold right here. Let me quickly see if I can find a good one. Gold spot. You can see that gold has been very bullish as well. And this seems way more correlated than Bitcoin and the US economy, which usually were very correlated. Doesn't matter. There's probably different reasons for that. But right now, the facts are is that Bitcoin is bullish. The main resistance level right now is between 42,000 and 42,700. And the main question that I have is whether Bitcoin is going to be able to break above that or not. All right, that is the main question, I think, at this moment. All right, Bitcoin right now has a volume of about 33 billion, which is great, but I do think it has already dropped down a little bit, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, volume was around 40 billion. That was great. Right now, it seems that some of the momentum has lost Bitcoin. All right, which volume is never the greatest measure for that, because sometimes if the volume drops down, it's actually easier to actually drop that, to actually break past resistance levels, right? But yeah, no, you can also see the open interest right here had was very high yesterday, but has also dropped down a bit. So I do expect Bitcoin to remain bullish, right? If you zoom out enough, there's just too many bullish fundamental events going on to say that Bitcoin will not stay bullish. But for now, I think the chance to break above 42,700 and rally up to the next price target at 45,000. I think the chance of that is not most likely. I think it's more likely to see Bitcoin, spike up there again, but then find resistance and then slowly drop back down towards 40,500 and 40,000 and then find support there. And then depending on how much support it finds there, it can either find enough there to rally above 42,700 later, or we might just see a little bit of a longer consolidation before continuing. Because like I said, I do think it's just a matter of time before we do continue to be bullish and do continue this bullish momentum. But no, it's right now I do expect it to spike up, but I don't expect it to have a bullish breakout. I think a pullback then is healthy, is to be expected, looks most likely if you consider the momentum right now. So that is what I expect. All right, now I'll keep you updated on this. All right, so don't worry too much about it. Just be careful while trading it. Be careful what you're doing, but most of you, I do think, know what you're doing. So yeah, now you at least know what I expect from the markets. Bitcoin dominance is high, so most altcoins will follow Bitcoin. That's handy to know as well. But for now, those are my thoughts. All right, so if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. And what I try to show with this, my links to my premium and Signal group will be down in the description and the comment and the pinned comment as well. So check that out if that sounds interesting. Most of you already know that, so nothing new. But for now, thank you for watching. Have a great day and bye.